All right, this is just a quick overview of what Google Sheets is. So, once you're on your Google page, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Google account. And if you're not, please do so now. And you will know if you see a circle here showing that you're logged in. But to find Google Sheets, go ahead and click on your waffle right next to that, and that is Google Apps. Once you click that and scroll down, you look at the green icon that says Sheets, and you can click on that. Once you're on Sheets, you can press Template Gallery right here at the top right corner, and this gives you a bunch of different templates that you can utilize that are already made for you. Or you can go here and click the plus sign, which is to create a blank sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign, and you will see at the top right, or top left, excuse me, you will have Untitled Spreadsheet. You're going to click that and you can rename it. I'm going to rename it to my second grade class. Now, right here, you see it says Save to Drive. If you are logged into your Google account, it will automatically save to Drive. So if I happen to go back and hit Sheets Home on the green icon, you will still see that here and it automatically saves it for you. So now I'm going to click that again. Right underneath where you can rename it, you have File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. All of these are there to help you with different resources that you might need when you create your sheets. Underneath that is a toolbar, and again, these are just different resources for you. You have your font, you have your sizing, bold, color, fill, and if you hit your three lines that look like, dots that look like a snowman, you have alignment as well here. So all of those are just easy tools for you to utilize when creating your sheets. Now over here, if you would like to share your sheets with someone, you can click the share button and you could type in the person's email, the person's name to share this document with them. Now, on our actual spreadsheet, you'll see columns with letters. It's going to go all the way to Z, but that doesn't mean that's the max that you can use. If you would like more columns, you are welcome to add them. This is just the default that Google Sheets gives us. Now, scrolling all the way down, on our rows, you have up to 1,000 rows. And again, if you would need more, you can always add more rows at the bottom. So once I look at my spreadsheet, you might see that right at the bottom it says Sheets 1. Now, that means that this document is my second grade class, but this does not mean that I only get one spreadsheet for that. So I can rename this to my students, and then I can add in my cells student A, and of course you would add your own students' names. Oops. And I can click the plus sign to add a sheet, and it will take me to a brand new document. On this, I can double click again and rename this to Gradebook. And I can go back to my students, and those will automatically be there. Now, if I click on my student A and I drag my mouse down, I can copy those 4 items, go back to my gradebook, and paste them so that way their names are here too. Now, once they're here, I can add different assignments like chapter 1, lesson 2, chapter 2, lesson 3, and so on and so forth. So if I see that this lesson gets cut off, I can put my mouse on that gray line, click it, and drag it. That way it extends each cell to how big I need it to be. Now, if I go back to where I have my different sheets and I click on that arrow, or if I click on the right side of my mouse, this menu will come up. You can either delete, duplicate, copy to, rename, change color, or protect sheet. And those are different ways that you can organize your sheets. I'm going to go into more detail of what Google Sheets can be used for as a teacher, but that is just the basics of what Google Sheets is.